117 people. Men, women, and children. They build a dream in the new world, then vanish without a trace. This is the mystery of Roanoke. When John White returned in 1590, the streets were silent. No bodies, no signs of struggle, just methodically dismantled houses. The only clue: one word carved into a post, Croatoan. Was it a destination or a desperate message? For centuries, we believed they simply joined a friendly tribe. But modern science tells a darker story. DNA studies found European markers in local descendants, but archaeologists found something chilling under a nearby field. They found older artifacts and remains showing signs of violent conflict with English weapons. What if they walked into a war? What if the Lost Colony walked into a secret conflict that history forgot? Roanoke keeps its secrets well. What do you think happened? Tell us in the comments.